Well, hello, this is Mrs. Robertson, and today we are doing the evens on this paper. It's April 6th, and we're only doing the evens. Tomorrow we'll do the odds. So let's start with problem number 2. Write 8/10 as a reduced common fraction. Another word for reduced common fraction would be simplified fraction, but we want it all the way reduced. All right, this is really pretty simple. 8/10 will simplify down to 4/5. So that would be the answer for number 2. Any questions? Thumbs up. Okay, number 4. What is the probability of rolling a number less than 4 with one roll on a number cube? Okay, so on a number cube you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on a normal dice. How many numbers are less than 4? Well, there are 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. So, what is the probability? It is 3 out of 6, so it is 1/2, which would be 50%. All right, what is the probability of rolling a number less than 4 with one roll of a number cube? That would be the answer there. Number 6, all pentagons are quadrilaterals. That is false. How many sides does a pentagon have, class? 5. If you have 5 sides, you can never be a quadrilateral, which has 4 sides. Number 8, this one's pretty simple. What is 13 times 15? All right, you're not allowed to use a calculator on this. 5, carry a 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Place value 0. And when you add them together, you do get 195. Any questions? Number 10, write 80% as a reduced fraction. Percent means per 100. So that's 80% as a fraction. You have to simplify it, and when you simplify it, you end up with 4/5. Number 12, 7 times n equals 301. To solve this problem, you divide both sides by 7. And n will equal, you can't use a calculator on it, 301 divided by 7. And the answer is 43. N equals 43. Number 14. Arrange the numbers from least to greatest. It will be -7, -3, and 3. Any questions? You all know that. Number 16. Here we have a PEMDAS problem. First, parentheses, exponents, then we do multiplication and division. All right, exponent, 4 to the 3rd power. 4 to the 3rd power equals 4 times 4, which is 16. And 16 times 4 is what? 64. So I'm going to have 64 here minus, what's the square root of 16? What times itself equals 16? Yes. 4 plus 3 times 2. Now the next thing you're going to do is the 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So what do we have? We end up with 64 minus 4 plus 6. Now, what are you going to do next? You're going to go back to the beginning and you do 64 minus 4 is 60. So then you have 60 plus 6, and that gives you the answer 66. Final answer. Any questions on how to do that? That is a 6th grade standard. Now, 18 and 20 are not 6th grade standards, but you should know how to do these in this class. The radius of a circle is 8 centimeters. What is the diameter? Well, if the radius is 8, the diameter is 16. 2 times your radius equals the diameter. So the diameter is 16 centimeters. Any questions on that? And number 20, which word names the distance all the way across the circle? Class, it is across the circle, it's the diameter B. The circumference is the line that makes the circle. The diameter goes all the way across. And a radius just goes halfway across. Okay? Any questions? All right. Now let's look at today's lesson.